Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A74, a mid-range smartphone that promises some high-end features at an affordable price. Let's start with the design. The A74 has a sleek and modern look, with a matte finish on the back that feels great in the hand. It comes in two colors, black and blue, and the back camera module is nicely integrated into the body. Moving on to the display, the A74 has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED screen with a full HD Plus resolution. The colors are vibrant, the brightness is good, and the viewing angles are wide. You can watch your favorite content on YouTube or Netflix with no problem. Phone's performance. Under the hood, the A74 is powered by a Snapdragon 730G processor, which is fast enough for most daily tasks. The phone comes with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, depending on the variant, and 128GB of storage, which is expandable with a microSD card. I played some casual games and the phone handled them well. Phone camera. Now let's talk about the camera, which is a quad camera setup on the back. There's a 64-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 5-megapixel macro sensor, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The camera takes good photos in daylight, with nice details and colors. The ultra-wide sensor is great for landscapes, and the macro sensor can capture close-up shots. However, the low-light performance could be better. Phone battery. Finally, let's talk about the battery, which is a 5000 mAh unit. The A74 can easily last a full day of use, even with heavy usage. It also supports 25W fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in about 90 minutes. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A74 is a great mid-range phone with some impressive features. It has a sleek design, a good display, decent performance, and a long-lasting battery. The camera could be better in low light, but it's still capable of taking good photos. If you're looking for a solid smartphone without breaking the bank, the A74 is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.